Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a wireless controller to your TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, no matter which controller you use, make sure that it's properly charged, and then grab your controller. If it's a DualSense controller or a PS5 controller, you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode first by pressing the PS button and the create button, which is right here, for about 5 seconds until lights of your controller start throbbing like this. And after that, go to the settings on your TV, then navigate to remotes and accessories, select add accessory, select OK, and then let your TV detect your DualSense controller on the list. Click select on your remote control and wait until the controller is paired with your TV. Then select pair. And right now your controller is paired with your TV. However, it doesn't really seem that we can actually use it in this menu. If you want to connect your controller to your console, by the way, you're gonna have to go do it in your console settings and not in TV settings. If you want to connect an Xbox controller to your TV, then you're gonna have to first turn it on by pressing the Xbox button, which is located approximately right here. Once your controller turns on, you're gonna have to press and hold the pairing button, which is located here, and then do the same thing on your TV. So go to settings, then select remotes and accessories, add accessory, and then let your TV locate your Xbox controller, select it on the list and click pair, and it will be paired with your device. And if you want to remove the controller from your device's from your Bluetooth devices list, select your controller right here and then select Unpair and OK. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.